Well, looks like we're going to have some more fun. Got an interesting challenge here. Got an old True Value Lawn Chief 455. Yeah, it's been sitting a while. A really long time. Let's get the hood open here and see what we're working with. Yeah, got an old 14 and a half horse Briggs. Let's see if she's gonna turn. Oh, no, 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 no. Got to get that freed up. If we can't, we got a perfect donor right there. Well, see if we can get this guy to run again. Well, let's take a quick gander at the oil here. See what we get. Yep, it's that ultimate two-stroke mix again. Nice. Smells like 5-year-old gas to maybe 7-year-old mixed with a little bit of 1030. It's fine. I think the plug has something to tell me here. She might be a little rusted, a little bit full of water, gas, and oil. Nice. Well, let's see if it'll break loose. Nope. Uh-oh. Not good. Nope. Definitely not good. And did I put any oil down it? No. Am I going to? Probably not. These things are easy enough to replace. We got that spare motor. I know it turns over. We'll just go ahead and swap it out. So, cleaned out the carburetor. This is the replacement motor. Got the starter working again. Found out it didn't have spark. I know I didn't record that, but replace the pickup or the magneto. Have spark again. Just got done cleaning the carburetor out. Let's see what we get. Hit the old junk box here. It does have some choke on. See what we get. Look at that. It's running. Very nice. We got that tire fixed. Got it sitting on decent rubber. Let's see if it'll move. Let's get it to start. Starts right up. Give her a little clutch brake. It moved. Nice. Well, we're back at it on the True Value Lawn Chief. And looks like we're going to have an issue with this front control arm here. It's great this way, and we can spin it just fine, but the second we turn, nope. So we're going to have to look at that. I did find out yesterday that it's a little bent, but we're going to see if all these mowers were truly, mostly interchangeable. All right. Let's see if we can get this fixed. Bam! Got that fixed. Did a little bit of spacing down here, and it works great. Got this off of a slightly newer MTD, which makes sense. These things are pretty much all universal with little differences that you can work around. But nice. We got steering lock to lock. All right. So, back working on the True Value Lawn Chief. Had a problem with the deck control cable. You can see what happened there. Not good, not good. So, you cannot buy this cable anymore. So, I had to make one. Well, got a little bit creative, and we're going to bring it into slightly newer technology here. Because before, you had the hook on the end here to go to the spring. You know, it's 2 pieces. Well, going to the modern style, Got the extra length on the cable here so we can get it all finely adjusted and get the deck working again. All right. Well, back working on that True Value Lawn Chief. Got the new cable in, and we're about to test it, see if it's gonna work as intended. Here, hold on. You let me know if it engages. And what do we get? Ah, looks like it's working. Here, let's go to disengage. Very nice. Well, let's see if it'll mow. Got her all back together.